Hi everyone, how's it going? This is Pedro, one of the developers of Jspreadsheet. Today, I'm going to walk you through, step by step, how to start using Jspreadsheet. Let's begin with the documentation in the Getting Started section. There you'll find 3 installation methods. You can download the package and include it directly in your local project. Use npm or load it through the CDN. If you go with the CDN option, remember to include 2 essential style lines. These come from Jsuites. If you skip them, the component might still work, but the layout will look broken. So always include those 2 lines when using the CDN. Now, about the license. Jspreadsheet is a commercial library, so you'll need a license to use it. However, if you just want to test it, simply create an account. You'll get access to a 30-day trial. If you need more time for evaluation, just contact us and explain that it's for testing purposes. We can extend that period for you without any problem. So where do you find your license? After creating your profile, go to Profile. Scroll down a little and you'll see your client ID. That's useful if you're using server extensions. Right below, you'll find your license key. Just click it once and it will automatically copy to your clipboard. Back in the Getting Started section of the documentation, you'll find the main methods to begin with. You can create a spreadsheet, destroy all of them at once, assign licenses, add formulas and services, and much more. There's also a translation section, so you can set the language that fits your application. And you'll find a practical example showing how to call Jspreadsheet instances. All examples in the documentation are interactive. You can test them directly in your browser. Change values, move between cells, everything works smoothly. Jspreadsheet supports 4 frameworks: vanilla JavaScript, React, Vue, and Angular. If you want to edit the example in your preferred environment, just select the framework at the top of the page. The code will adjust automatically. Let's use the vanilla JavaScript example. On the right side of the screen, you'll see 2 buttons. One takes you to StackBlitz, where you can test everything online without any setup. The other lets you copy the full code so you can paste it into your IDE and run your own tests. In StackBlitz, the project is generated automatically with 3 main files. On the left, you'll see the code, usually in index.html, and on the right, you'll see the spreadsheet being rendered. Notice there are 4 CDN links, 2 for Jspreadsheet, 2 for Jsuites, and 1 for material icons, if you want to use icons in your toolbar. If your spreadsheet doesn't use a toolbar, you can safely remove that import. Now, about the license again. The examples come with a license already configured by default, but that key is only valid for 1 day. It's generated automatically in my testing environment, so it's best to replace it with your own, either a paid license or the free trial key. To do that, just go back to your profile, copy your license key, and paste it into the code. That way, Jspreadsheet will recognize your license and everything will work normally without needing to update it every day.